So turn your head left for me. Any pain, turn left? Nope. Go ahead and turn your head right. A little more that way, huh? Go ahead and turn head left again. A little restricted left, a little more easy to turn.
What is that? There's no hiding anything here. He'll find it. You're like Liam Neeson, right? I will find you.
I have a particular set of skills. Ones that make me a nightmare for people like you. Relax your chest. Exhale. Nice. Okay, all right. Right there, that. Yeah, a lot better that way. A lot better that way, but
Wow,
yeah.
that's bizarre. You can turn your neck now.
How easy that is to resolve.